Hello, we're going to go over questions 1 to 5 that appeared in the Foundation GCSE Paper 2 in November 2023. I recommend pausing the video after the question is shown so you can try it yourself, then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Here are questions 1, 2 and 3. The first question asks you to write down two factors of 18. The second is asking you to write 0.9 as a fraction. And the third asks you to change 7 metres to centimetres. Pause the video, attempt to answer the questions, return to play the video to see the solutions. Welcome back. Question 1 asks us to write down two factors of 18. The factors of 18 are wanting us to look at how do we make 18. So we can have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, or 3 times 6. We can use any two of these numbers. Question 2 asks us to write 0.9 as a fraction. And this is 9 tenths. Question 3 asks us to change 7 metres to centimetres. There are 100 centimetres in every metre. So 7 metres is worth 700 centimetres. These are all worth 1 mark. Question 1, we can choose any two of these factors. I've chosen 1 and 18. You could have chosen 3 and 9. It's not asking for a factor pair, just any two factors. Question 2, you get the mark for writing 9 tenths. Question 3, you get the mark for writing 700 centimetres. This is question 4 and 5. Question 4 asks you to write down a square number that is between 10 and 50. Question 5 is asking you to work out 50% of 240. Pause the video, attempt to answer the questions, and return to play the video to see the solutions. Welcome back. Question 4 is asking us to write down a square number that is between 10 and 50. We find our square numbers by squaring an integer, a whole number. So 1 squared will give us the square number of 1. 2 squared will give us the square number of 4. 3 squared gives us 9. 4 squared gives us 16. 5 squared gives us 25. 6 squared gives us 36. And 7 squared gives us 49. I'm going to put an answer of 25. Any of these sit between 10 and 50. Question 5 asks us to work out 50% of 240. 50% is the same as finding a half of 240. Half of 240 is 120. These are both worth 1 mark. For question 4, we can choose any of these answers here: 16, 25, 36 or 49, and they will give you your 1 mark. For question 5, the answer of 120 will give you your 1 mark. I hope you found that helpful.